Hey, Facebook, happy Thursday to you. It's David Lowe, your realtor of choice right here in Columbia, South Carolina with Vylla Homes, where we make home ownership easy or simple, something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out later. But anyway, hey, I want to hit you guys with a Thursday's thought. This past Sunday in church, Pastor Nikki over at the International Family Center, which is where I attend church, used a quote from Frederick Douglass. And I really want to share that quote with you guys. So this quote from Frederick Douglass, and if you don't know, Frederick Douglass was actually a very famous author, and he was also one of the original abolitionists who fought to help end slavery. So Frederick Douglass had a quote where he said, "It is easier to build strong children than it is to repair broken men." Let me say that again. Quote from Frederick Douglass. It's easier to build strong children than it is to repair broken men. Listen, I'm not going to try to unpack all of that, but that was powerful for me as I just reflected back on my own life, on how well that I do as a father and spending time with my children. And now all my children, God bless, are all grown and adult. And so just a little bit of reflection time. And I realized, you know what, it really is easy just to spend time with your kids and be in the moment when you're actually there and build relationships. And especially, you know, I'm just going to say this and then I'll end. Especially we're coming into a holiday season, 4th of July. I highly encourage you as a father, especially as a father and a mother as well, spend that quality time with your children. Take time off. I know everyone's busy. Everything's still open. Life is as normal as usual. Everything's still open. But just take that time, spend time with the kids, get out to the lake, do some fireworks, do some barbecuing. If you don't know how to barbecue, call me. I'll show you how to barbecue. We don't use charcoal anymore around this place. We use wood. That's how you barbecue. But anyway, God bless. Remember that. Frederick Douglass, it is easier to build strong children than it is to repair broken men. All right, God bless. Hope you guys have a great 4th of July weekend. And if you need anything related to real estate, remember, give me a call, 803-949-8251. Be glad to answer any of your questions. No cost, of course. I'll do it for free just because I love you. Bye-bye.